So the AGM G3 versus the OSCAL Pilot 3. These two devices are really nice 5G rugged phones, but we know the Pilot 3 is OSCAL's latest device, and the AGM G3, that is the latest 5G rugged phone from AGM. It's actually a series, the G3 series, G3, G3 Pro. So in this video, I'll compare the specs of the G3 with the OSCAL Pilot 3 to see which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you're interested in the AGM G3 series, then make sure to use the link in the video description. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones. So there you have it, guys, the AGM G3 versus the OSCAL Pilot 3. Obviously, the G3 is a much more powerful device. It's powered by the Dimensity 7400, while the Pilot 3 is powered by the Dimensity 6300. The AGM G3 can record up to 4K videos at 30 FPS, while the Pilot 3 can record up to 2K videos because the Dimensity 6300 doesn't support 4K video recording. But of course, both devices are really nice devices, but the AGM G3 is a much more better device. It supports wireless charging. The Pilot 3 is also a really nice device with a 20MP night vision camera, while the AGM G3 doesn't have a night vision sensor, but the G3 Pro has a thermal camera. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, there's a G3 and the G3 Pro. The Pro version has a thermal camera, while the normal G3 does not have a thermal or night vision camera. So you need to have that in mind. But overall, both devices are really nice 5G rugged phones, and this is just my opinion. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.